In this video I will show you how to create realistic book mockup in Photoshop. Go to Rectangular tool. Draw the shape. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, right-click and choose Distort. Adjust the shape. Double-click on this layer. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Choose this image and click on Place. Adjust the image. Press Ctrl+S Save. Change the blending mode Multiply. Go to Add a Layer Style. Choose the blending option. Alt-press Move. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.